Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix character AI not loading. First of all is clearing cache. Open your web browser, go to their settings. You can click on settings and privacy and security. From here you have to click on third-party cookies and click on see all site data and permissions. From here you have to type in character AI in the search bar. What you can do is delete all of the site data and permissions for character AI. The second step is to turn off hardware acceleration. What you have to do, just from right here, you have to go to the system. From here, you have to turn off this option called use graphics acceleration when available. You have to turn it off and relaunch your Google Chrome. If this option doesn't work either, you can go to the step 3, which is updating your Google Chrome. To check if you have the latest version of Google Chrome, yes or no, you have to go to the About Chrome section. From here, it will check for updates and check if you're updated or not. If you're not updated, you have to click on Update Now. After you're done updating, now you can check your character AI is loading or not. If it also doesn't work, let's hop over to the step 4, which is changing your DNS. To change your DNS, first of all, you have to open your control panel on your computer, and then you have to go to the network and internet. Click on it. From here, you have to go to the network and sharing center. Click on it, and then you have to click on Ethernet. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, you will see your Wi-Fi here. You have to click on your Wi-Fi. In my case, I will click on Ethernet. Now, this type of interface will open. You have to go to the properties, and then you have to double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Double click on it, and then you have to click on use the following DNS server. From here, all you have to type is 8, 8, 8 and 8. On the bottom section, you have to type 8, 8 and 4 and 4. And after that, you have to click on OK to change your DNS. If it also doesn't work, you have to go to the step 5. And the new step is to connect to a VPN. For example, you have to go to the search. And if you have any VPN downloaded on your PC, you have to open your VPN connection or the VPN software. If you do not have any VPN software on your Windows PC, you can also browse for a Chrome extension. And all you have to do is connect to a VPN and check again if character AI website is working or not. If this option also doesn't work and the character AI is still not loading on your computer, all you have to do is you can change your browser. Either from your Google Chrome browser, you can change it to Firefox. If it doesn't work on Firefox, you can try Microsoft Edge, or you can try Opera browser or any other browser to check if the character AI is working or not. If you try each step one by one, I'm sure that character AI problem will solve. And that's how to fix character AI not loading. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.